Hey. We got 4 right there. See if we got some more down this way. Oh. See one in the field down here. 2. Capone and I had a 4-point come out just down the road here a little bit. I don't know if he's one of them standing over here. I'm going to try and zoom in. That sun. The sun glare. It's as far as I can get. But there's 2 right there. Let's see if we can get closer. I left Capone at home because he just wants to yank my arm out when he sees him. Oh, we're on the move. Beautiful night. Evening, should I say? Sorry. We got movement over the bank here. I can hear the leaves rustling. Oh. Squirrel up in that tree. He's up there. There he is, perched on that branch. I don't know if you can see him or not. He's right there. It's actually darker than what this camera on this phone is doing. Can't believe how bright it looks. Oh, there's 3 more, 4, 5. Wow, I don't know if you can see them on this. I doubt it. There's a whole passel of deer right there. I haven't seen any big boys yet this year. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, probably not. I would love to get some more and different content for you guys, because I don't want anybody getting bored with me and my channel. This is supposed to be about my life passions, which I have a lot. It's a lot of things I like to do. It's just difficult to do them right now because of my money situation and lack of just about everything. I'm more concerned about my animals and having the lack of things that I need for them, or they need, like flea and tick drops, and Capone's almost out of his bone biscuits. I had a couple of people tell me to set up a GoFundMe account, but I can't do it. I just can't do it. And I'm afraid a lot of you out there are going to judge me for it, which that sounds kind of, I don't know if that sounds petty or not, or it just doesn't seem right to me. And I've also was mentioned that to have more commentary. So I'm hoping this satisfies for commentary. There's several of these little wash ponds down here. I gotta get the history of this property. The gentleman that owns this he's an older guy and really nice. I just try not to bother him too much. Or anybody for that matter. I pretty much stay to myself. Here is anybody who knows me around here knows that's, I try not to bother too many people. It's bad enough when I need a can of vegetables for my dinner or whatever, and I have a couple of really awesome neighbors that help me out, and another good friend of mine here that does more than he should. But it's been a taxing, for the lack of a couple of months, 5 years. I'm gonna post another video over the weekend. Man, the colors are really bursting. No, they're not bumming, they're like actually quite lovely. Oh, another snort. Another snort. We got deer running down the bank here. Oh, they're trucking too. I don't know if you heard that on the camera. They love to snort when they get alarmed. Like I said, me and Capone had a 4-point come out this morning. And of course I didn't have my phone with me. It was on the charger. And I'm walking back home. It's just getting super dark now. Like I was saying, I'm going to post a video on the what's and whys and all of that as to my YouTube channel and why I am doing this now at this point in time. Like I said, I'm going to post a video on that when you guys can see me. I'm going to try turning the light on. It doesn't help matters much, does it, down the bank there? That goes down to a creek. Down right at the bottom here. There's a creek that runs down. And links up to another one about maybe a quarter of a mile from here. But this guy here has about 100 acres, 110 acres. He's got more on the other side too. And geez, I think it was better with the light off. Well, maybe not. Hello. Come on. There you go. I'm picking up some views. I just wish I could pick up some more subscribers. I'm still at 48. And this guy used to have a plane that he used to land here and on his other field in the back over there. If you've seen a view from up top, you can see he still cuts it. I believe he used to be a commercial airline pilot at one time, and he used to fly his little, I don't know if it was a Piper Cub or just one of them little single prop airplanes. And when I first moved here, he had a ultralight that he used to fly around. But I'm guessing he's gotten a little up in age for that, so he's kind of stopped. And I think he sold it. I'm not sure if he still even has it or not. Haven't seen him fly it in years. But I just wanted to take a walk, show you guys what's going on around here. And when I get home, I'll post this video just to show everybody. And hopefully I'll see you over the weekend. Ciao for now.